in Northern Ireland, where the Protestants and the Catholics were feuding and fighting for generations, there was a complete collapse of trust between the two communities. But the women of the two communities worked tirelessly to bridge that gap, to recreate trust. In fact, Betty Williams and May Reid Corrigan won the Nobel Peace Prize in the mid-70s for their efforts. Could Kuki women and Meitei women play a similar role in Manipur?
The incident which you talk about in Ireland, I really wish that it can happen, but I think this will be really impractical in reality.
Why?
I'll tell you why. You know the Maira Paibis. What is the role of the Maira Paibis? Maira Paibis are supposed to be they are termed as the guardian of the civil society. They are, one of their main objectives is crime against crime and injustice against women. And you know what they did? I'm not saying that there's a video footage which I have in my phone also. I can even show it to you.
But what did they do?
You know what they did? I'm not saying that they'll be Maira Paibis, but this group of women, when the violence started in Imphal Valley, they got hold of two Kuki young women, and they told the men folk around saying that rape them. How can you tell the men to rape you? You may be a mother, you may be a sister, you may be a daughter. How can you think of your daughter? Those two young Kuki women, they just gave them to the men and said, you raped them. And then, you know what, after 3 days, we came to know that like one of them was killed, murdered, and then the other survived.
You're saying to me,
from the Fongdokiba video footage Yangminasi.
Akwai na to ibase Manipur da akwai jati bi jati khaithok nangai aduga akwai jingthi nangai madugumba akwai policy da yaute Manipur da akwai jati mari leye Meitei Pangal Kuki Naga masida akwai pam ibadudi akwai chingda akwai jam chikna jam peace oina akwai tani congress gi matamda akwai bo political talk tause haiba leite invite tokte BJP gi matam hit jawrabada makoina akwai BJP bo support tawragadi akwai bo nakoi gi hai riba nakoi gi Kuki gi koi political demand do akwai loishin langai to bi haibadagi akwai handaki BJP da loina support tawgi ba